You just won the listing for 107 East Mill Road. The contract is signed, but now the clock starts ticking. This diagram shows the friction funnel, the fragmented reality of starting with a raw address and scattered notes. Copying those isolated facts across different platforms creates a massive bottleneck. Every platform demands a different format, turning a simple property update into a logistical nightmare. Every hour you spend acting as a frustrated copywriter is an hour stolen from actual selling and lead generation. Surviving modern market demands requires a centralized, automated pipeline that removes the friction from every step of the listing lifecycle. That pipeline is AgentClip, a centralized hub built to pull raw property data into a predictable workflow. This diagram illustrates Pillar 1, the engine. By priming the system with raw notes, specific buyer targets, and media, you build the contextual foundation that standard AI generators lack. A single MLS link or Zillow URL instantly fetches the property history. AgentClip then routes that data through multiple AI models, including ChatGPT and Gemini, to find the optimal framework for your content. This process begins before the property even hits the public market, during the critical pre-listing stage. The system synthesizes raw market data to generate a detailed CMA pricing narrative. This gives you a clear, logical script to explain the recommended listing price right at the presentation table. Securing the listing relies on deploying instant, data-backed logic that builds immediate seller trust, rather than relying on gut feeling. Once the contract is signed, we enter the launch stage. Here, your centralized property card acts like a prism, splitting a single set of facts into a simultaneous, multi-channel marketing blast. With a single click, AgentClip generates a fully formatted, fair housing-compliant MLS description alongside a targeted email blast for your active database. It also creates a Zillow rewrite, engineered to eliminate generic auto blurbs and capture consumer attention. With the digital foundation set, the system pivots to the active phase, where the goal shifts to driving physical foot traffic and dominating social media algorithms. AgentClip produces a complete social media pack, delivering tailored cop talk. A launch sequence that traditionally consumed an entire weekend of drafting is now executed instantly across every platform. This chart tracks a common hidden friction point, the inevitable midweek spike in seller anxiety as the days on market drag on. Here, we see the AgentClip intervention dropping that red anxiety spike down into a calm baseline by automatically generating a comprehensive, professional weekly update based on recent property activity. This proactive communication directly preempts angry phone calls, keeping your client informed and the relationship stable. And the automated pipeline doesn't stop once the property closes. It deploys automated buyer follow-up and past client check-in sequences, seamlessly pivoting the momentum of a successful sale into top-of-mind messaging for future referrals. By automating this follow-up, the end of one transaction effectively becomes the lead generation engine for your next one. This diagram shows the result for 107 East Mill Road. What began as a chaotic pile of isolated notes is now a fully populated, synchronized marketing ecosystem. AgentClip moves the real estate professional into the role of a system operator, managing high-level strategy while the engine handles the tactical execution. This creates a massive multiplier effect. A single property card feeds over 30 different tools, ensuring full marketing distribution across the listing's entire lifecycle. The pipeline replaces manual drafting with a repeatable system. It ensures every listing receives a complete marketing package and every lead enters a structured follow-up sequence. Stop staring at a blank page. Input your first address and start building your pipeline today.